Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'll share review of this kurta set that I got from Flipkart. It is from Ren Jaipur Kurti. It comes in this packaging, means plastic. So you get dupatta, you get trouser, and you get this kurti that along with it. So first I'll show you how the kurta looks like. This is how it looks. It's in blue color with green borders. This is a price tag that was there in brand Jaipur kurti. The original cost is 3699 and I got it for 1319 rupees. This I removed, the tag was on top. This is their brand tag logo. I got this from Flipkart. It is also available on Myntra, Amazon. I had checked it out. So the same one is available. This is in size medium. The kurta of this is very nice. It have round neck. Plus there are these designs. It have got this 3/4 sleeves. With this border of green down. Like at the end on both the sides, and this is like kind of little bit not transparent, but for the kurta material there is one more lining from inside. So this for the hands it is not there. This is the border that is there from top till the bottom, like full sides it is there. It has side cuts. This design looks really nice. Now this kurta looks different on photos. It looks kind of shining, but this is not much shining as the top material is a bit of cotton. How it looks on the photo, it's not like that. But the kurta material is really nice. I like the kurta material of this. This is the detailing that is there, everything. This is the inner lining, that's why it's very nice, which is again cotton, so very comfortable to wear. This is the back side, which is plain. Only for the sleeves there is this border. Now this is the trouser that I got. This is, they have mentioned that it is cotton, but it is not cotton. This is the front side and the elastic is back side. The quality of this is not much good as compared to the top of this. Here they have mentioned the tag and size medium. And here there are pockets on both the sides. It's kind of transparent, like not much transparent, but little bit see-through. And the material is also not much good. And the second thing about the trouser that I didn't like, that it should be tapering from down, but it's like of the same length, so that becomes bigger. So I'll have to alter that part. So I didn't like the pant of this. The kurta is nice. For 3699 I would have definitely not got this, but 1319 it is quite good. Apart from the pant, which is green in color, it's kind of shining. They have mentioned it's cotton, but it's not cotton, it's kind of shining like. And this is the dupatta. It's the double the length. What I have just folded it in half with the golden borders, green color. Dupatta is good, but the breadth length is very long, but the breadth like that, it's little bit short, but it's fine. It's very nice dupatta. Only the thing I didn't like is the pant of this. I'll be leaving down the link in the description box. Do check it out if you like.